Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Firstly, you need to go into Play Store on both devices to install Send Anywhere app from this developer. When your apps are ready, open them. Now you need to access the same options on both devices. First of all, tap on I agree at the top, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Motorola, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Realme. Thanks to all of those categories located at the top, you can choose all of your files to transfer. If you want to, you can always just click on the couple of them, like that. Wherever you decide, when you finished, click on Send next to Selected located at the bottom. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect, thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on Motorola. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Motorola's camera at the code. If you prefer to use this key though, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!